Have you ever thought of adding bacon bits to your grounded pepper? I'm sure you haven't. Let me teach you how I changed this grounded pepper to the next level. Taste it even better, okay? So first of all, you're gonna toast some of the bacon bits and salted fish, which is Kobe. Whilst that is toasting, cut all the other vegetables, which are onions, pepper, sweet pepper, and then add the toasted bacon bits and Kobe to the ingredients. We're using an earthen pot. If you don't have that, you can blend it. Now you want to go ahead and blend everything together. Add tomatoes. The ingredients depends on the quantity you're making, okay? Now in a bowl or in a saucepan, you want to add sliced onions and some oil. Saute for a minute or two. Canned tuna in water. So drain the water and then add the tuna to the onions. Now we're building flavor here. We don't want it to smell too fishy as well. And then add a little bit of salt. Remember, I did not add salt to the pepper in the beginning because I was going to add salt to the tuna. Now add the tuna and onion that was sauteed to the fresh grinded pepper. These are egg whites. We don't really care for the yolk, so we took the whites, separated the white from the yolk. Sprinkle that on the pepper. Go ahead and cut fresh onions and add some extra chilies on the side. You can also add some avocado, drizzle some oil on it if you want to. Now let that sit for a minute. Now we're going to fry some yam. Cut your yam, parboil the yam. Okay, don't cook. Parboil the yam for a few minutes. Drain the yam and let it cool. You're then going to go ahead and fry. And when I tell you, this turned out better than we even thought. Give it a try and let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video to the end. Subscribe, like, share, and we'll catch you in the next one. See, dinner is served. Yummy. Bye.